Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna switch out the battery in my e-scooter. So if you haven't seen my PC build video, I can tell you that I got this e-scooter for free because the battery is faulty. So I reached out to Klarna and their support and told them that I got a faulty product. Then I waited a month and then I got an update that I got this for free, so I didn't have to pay it. Then I ordered a new battery for it. So this battery is 2.5 ampere hours smaller than the original battery, but I don't think the difference will be noticeable. It also got a little bump in the transport, but I think it will be fine. Otherwise I'll just contact their support again. Let's start disassembling. I don't remember if this even make a difference, but I'll remove them anyway. Now I should be able to remove this. Yeah, pretty easily. Now it should be disconnected. That was a lot of tape. The outer dimensions seem to be the same. Let's see if it explodes in my face or not. I'll just route this under here first. I think that's a bit better. Oh, that was a little pop. But yeah, it's connected now. I think that will do. Then a little zip tie over here. I think that's good enough. Then the charging port. And some electrical tape on that too. Then I'll just put this plastic back. Save me if my walls came down. That is underwater, you would let me drown. Watching as I suffocate. Darling, pull the trigger, honey, steal my crown. Choke me till I black out, put your hands around. Cut out my heart. Does it work now? Yeah, it does. But yeah, the best way to try it out, if it has helped, is to put it in the car for a few hours so it can heat up. So I'll put it on charge, and when it's fully charged I'll put it in the car and then I'll come back after that. So I've ridden it for about 7 or 8 kilometers now, and it seems to be working. Now I've ridden it for about 12 kilometers, and yeah, that's about twice as much as the total kilometers on it before this. So it seems to be working now, but I'll go for some rides this weekend and put some videos or clips of it here in the video before I end it.
Cast your sins away to him. Go a garden safe from murder. Fill the forest with your kin. You would never save me if my walls came down. Head is underwater, you would let me drown.
22 uphill is pretty good. So I went to the village shop to get some milk, and yeah, it worked the whole trip again. I guess that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Worship me, I control the air you breathe. Worship me.